Hello, I'm Flylady Kat, and I'm here with a special gift for you, and that is a free Patreon video. This Patreon video is one of hundreds and hundreds that I have on my Patreon channel, A Better Life with Flylady Kat at patreon.com. And on this video, you will see that we're talking more about how we think and implement the Flylady system into your life rather than the specifics about the Flylady system. So I call it a mini mentoring session, and it is $5 a month if you decide that you want to enroll at Patreon and become one of my patrons. $5 a month gives you 5 videos a week, week after week, month after month. If that's something that you love, please come over and enjoy these and be part of our special group. There are no advertisements on Patreon, so you'll be able to enjoy it end to end without interruption. If you feel that you'd like to have a little bit more mentoring, maybe some personal accountability or some help, you can get one personal mentoring session a month with me for $25. That is my tier 2. That's going to give you the 25-minute mentoring session and the videos all inclusive for $25 a month. If you need more help, you can get 2 mentoring sessions a month plus the videos for $50 a month. And if you want to go all the way and really help yourself establish some great habits and get into the flow of the Flylady system, then I recommend that you go for 4 mentorings a month, which is $100 a month, including the free videos. These are all great systems for you. If you can't join Patreon, that's fine. Do your best on the Flylady system here on this channel. I'm sure you can, but if you do need some help, please come over and see how you like it. That's it for today. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I hope you always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Enjoy the video. Hello, patrons. Today we're going to talk about your why. Why do you do the things that you're doing in your home, other than that you want a tidy house? Why do I ask you to do certain things? So the bottom line is, the answer is for you to have a better life. So I want you to think about it. When you get up in the morning and you dress yourself, why are you doing that? Why have I asked you to pick out clothes the night before? Because I want you to feel pretty. I want you to feel nice. I want you to feel whatever level it is that makes you feel worthy in some way, even just to yourself, that you care enough about yourself to dress yourself. So I like this little print blouse. I think it's cute. I picked it out. I'm wearing a little jean skirt. These are things that make me feel pretty, and that's why I wear them. Why do I put on lipstick? Why am I wearing pearl earrings? I've decided to wear pearl earrings for the 50 days of Easter. I think they're very pretty. My daughters gave them to me for Mother's Day, but I wore my crucifix for all of Lent, the 40 days of Lent, and now I'm celebrating with my pearl earrings. So when I see them, not only do they make me feel pretty, but they also remind me of something important to me, something to be grateful for. So there are reasons that I do these things. The reason that you clean up after dinner is so that when you walk back in the kitchen, you're not assaulted by dirty dishes. That is not a pleasant thing to do to yourself. So you take care of it, and you recruit your family to do their part too, because they're also assaulted when they walk in there. They may not realize it, but they're going to appreciate so much more a pretty clean kitchen. It's psychological, it's subliminal. It's not something they may say, wow, I love this pretty clean kitchen. Now, you might have some of those characters in your house, but the majority of them are like, whatever, mom, don't believe it. They do notice, but more important, you notice, and it makes you feel in control. Remember what I used to say back in the day? I used to say, I'm here to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you finally love yourself. That's what this is all about. That's your why. So why do you go through your clothes and organize your clothes and get rid of things that are not you? Because you want to feel good about yourself. You want to be yourself. You don't want to be some person in a magazine or somebody that you see in your neighborhood. You want to be you. So when you're picking out your clothes, and I got this idea from Marianne LaCour, from her channel, because she just recently put out, why do we dress? Why are we picking out these clothes? Why are you getting rid of things? Now, she dresses on a different level. She is French chic, and it's perfect for her. I'm not French chic. I am American happy. I don't know what to call my style, but I'm happy, and I want my clothes to reflect that. So I like tailored things, but I also like things with a little bit of a butterfly sleeve or sleeveless or sporty. Those are all my style. So it's because I'm Kat, and when I'm looking in my closet, I can find something and say, well, I don't want to wear jeans with tears in the knees. That's not interesting to me. So those are not my style. So those aren't in my closet. I don't want to wear big slouchy t-shirts and sweatshirts. That's not me. That's not my style. It doesn't make me feel pretty. So those are not in my closet. I don't want to wear athletic wear. That is not me. It doesn't make me feel pretty. It's not my style. Now, if I had some of your gorgeous figures, I might be wearing those things. They might look really cute on me, but they don't suit me. So if you like to wear athletic wear and it makes you feel pretty, do it. But when you're looking through your closet, maybe you'll find something that's more structured, more tailored, more Chanel-like, that is totally uncomfortable for you, that doesn't belong there. That's why we're doing everything we do, not just picking out our clothes for ourselves, not just arranging our closet for ourselves, but our whole house to make us happy. That is your why. It's because you do a lot of work in your house. Now that you know what you really have to do and you see how long it takes, it doesn't take forever. You can get it done, and you can get it done fast, and it can be a flow, and it won't even be a hardship. But in the beginning, it's hard because you have to learn how to do it, and there's lots of little steps and lots of little things we do. So you deserve to have a tidy house because you put the effort in. So clutter checks are important for you. Weekly home blessing hour is important for you. Fresh sheets on the bed are important for you. A swished toilet is important for you. Somebody, I can't remember who I was watching, but I thought it was so funny. Oh, Melissa55, I love her. Melissa55 says that when she cleans her house, she pretends she's cleaning for the queen. And she can hear the queen saying something British about good job. I can't remember, but I thought it was so funny. She made me laugh. It was a recent video. You might enjoy watching it. She doesn't just talk about that, but that's one of the things she talks about. And the truth is, you are cleaning for the queen. You're the queen of the household. You deserve to have a beautiful, clean house. So clean for yourself. Clean for yourself. Your family also gets the benefit of it. But remember that you're important too. We tend to put ourselves at the bottom of the stack, and we do everything for everyone else and not for ourselves. Today, I want you to change your thinking, and I want you to do it for you, because you deserve a clean house, because you deserve sweet, clean sheets, because you deserve a clean window, because you deserve clean underwear. Whatever it is, it's for you. Now, I'm not big on deserve. None of us deserve anything, and there's nothing wrong with putting forth effort and not getting anything back. I really think that, but I just want you to change something up here that says you do deserve it. So change it, because a lot of us are just martyrs, and that's not what we're supposed to be. We're supposed to have peace in our life and joy in our life, and I want you to have peace and joy in your life. So that's your why. Have a wonderful day. I can't wait to hear your comments below, and I want you to always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.